Hello, thank you for watching this video. What you see in front of you is the opening scene canvas, and this is an animation that'll play, and you'll see the logo here, and then after that the game loads, and all the sounds are there. So I'll play this again. Let's take a look at this first. There's just a simple animation that plays, and after the animation ends, this screen loads. All of the button sounds are also working. You can go back to the front page anytime you want. This is the store page, and it does remain consistent, the cards that you select. I'll go back to the front page, I'll hit start, and right now the default cards are loading, and they work just as instructed. So you're going to win a card if you score higher or equal to the number that's displayed, and if it's a zombie, then you will need to score higher than the number displayed, otherwise the zombie takes away your resources. This is the card game that we have made, so it works as intended. And we'll go over here, we'll go to lore, and you can see all the lore cards are unlocked, and since there's no DLC item, so all of the lore cards are locked, and since there's no DLC item, this is the lore. These are all the cards that are the normal default cards, or the cards that the game loads when it's started. So other than that, I'll give the source code walkthrough in the next video.